Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to connect to Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition using Azure Systems Zulu OpenJDK 11. So here you can see that I have installed SQL Server 2019 running. So I have opened SQL Server Configuration Manager to verify on which port database is up and running. So it's listening on the port 49697. Make sure that SQL Server is up and running in your machine. So here you can see that also I have installed SQL Server Management Studio version 18.4 already installed, and this is the minimal version used to connect SQL Server 2019. So next I have already installed Azure Systems Zulu OpenJDK 11. So this is Zulu OpenJDK 11. So this is a modular JDK and it's a clone of OpenJDK 11 project. It's a free to use and open source JDK from Azure Systems. So we are going to connect Microsoft SQL Server 2019 using this Azure OpenJDK 11. So next very important thing, you can see that Microsoft SQL JDBC driver for Java 11 jar file is downloaded and copied to this directory mssql-jdbc jar11.jar. So we are going to use this jar to connect SQL Server 2019 using Azure Zulu OpenJDK 11. So here you can see that we are going to see two basic JDBC programs. So before we proceed to JDBC programming, let me check whether Zulu OpenJDK 11 is available in the path or not. Yes, it's available in the path. So Zulu OpenJDK 11 is a modular JDK. Make sure that jar file is copied in the path. So this is our first JDBC program. So you can see that I have imported all the basic interfaces like connection statement, driver manager, etc. So this is the JDBC URL used to connect SQL Server 2019 instance. So we are going to connect a books database. So make sure that the JDBC URL is correct. So under books database, we are going to fetch all the records from person table. So driver manager.get connection will establish the connection to the SQL Server 2019 database. So after establishing the connection, you can see that I have declared database metadata object. So database metadata used to print the basic database information like product version and product name, etc. Next, you can see that I am printing all the records from the person table using result set object. So person table contains two fields. Next, I am printing the Java vendor information. So finally, I am closing the result set statement and connection object. So all this should be done inside the try catch block. So all the database logic are written inside the try catch block. So finally, make sure that the JDBC URL is correct for SQL Server 2019. So now let us try to compile and run the first JDBC program using Zulu OpenJDK 11. Yes, compilation is successful. So make sure that you have included the jre11.jar file in the class path as shown here while compiling and running. Yes, you can see that database information is got printed, and next part you can see that all the records are got fetched and printed from person table. So finally, I am printing the Java vendor details. So our first JDBC program using Zulu OpenJDK 11 from Azure Systems with the help of Microsoft JDBC driver for Java 11 is successful. So next we are going to see another program. So in this program we are going to insert one record. So same JDBC URL only I am using. to connect the SQL Server instance. So one major difference is I am going to insert one record here. So I am passing the insert statement to the execute update method here. So execute update method used to insert, update and delete the rows in the table. So I am inserting a new record. So after inserting, I am printing all the records using a result set object. So save the program. So now let us try to compile and run this program. So same syntax only I am using. Include the jre11.jar file in the class path. So Microsoft SQL JDBC jre11.jar is included in class path. Compilation is successful. Next I am running. Same syntax. Yes, you can see that new record is got inserted and printed here. So let me verify in Management Studio also. Let me refresh the query. Yes, it's successful. So you can see that a new record is got inserted and printed here. So Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition JDBC connectivity using Azure Systems Zulu Open JDK 11 is successful with the help of Microsoft JDBC driver for Java 11. So make sure that you have included the jre11.jar file in class path for compiling and running. Also you can see that a lot of sample Java programs are bundled with this JDBC jar file. So you can make use of it and you can compile and run this program also accordingly.